$5,000 in 60 days. Sounds like probably nonsense, doesn't it? But in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. In fact, let me show you what I'm going to break down for you so you know exactly what you're going to get if you stay around in this video. I'm going to show you proof of the concept. I'll show you how simple it is. As always, I'll show you how it works and we'll go over some feedback. Then I've got a guarantee if you watch this video till the end, realistically, you can get this set up today within an hour. It's not difficult, I promise you. So I'm also going to give you some tools and resources to make the whole concept fast. But let's back this up with a bit more proof, okay? So let's come over here and let's go over here. Now you will notice over here it says total earnings. So that means that is the amount of money I have earned over on beacons since we've started this method. And realistically, I could have started it a year ago, couldn't I? You wouldn't know. So let me show you this. If I come over here onto YouTube, where's it gone? You'll see over here, this video was done exactly 1 month ago. And in that video, I shared with you how I earned my first $100 using a free beacon stores. So that was a month ago. And it took about 2 weeks to get to $100. Fast forward to today, and you will see that number has jumped drastically to $5,000. So this was within 6 weeks. Let me show you the start, and then I'll show you how you can set this up yourself. And we'll cover some myths, and we'll also cover some issues, or should we say, some negative thoughts that people have around this method. Okay, so how did we earn this money? Well, we had digital products. And when it comes to digital products, there's loads of different ways you can do this. So this is on my Beacon store. Beacons is free. There's no reason why you shouldn't be signing up to this anyway, especially if you are looking at affiliate marketing, digital marketing, your own products, etc. So if you scroll down here, you will see on my free Beacon store, we have these products. So we've got the viral video cloner, AI bundle. If I scroll along here, you'll notice we have got other products, other digital products, okay? So these up here are tools that I created, and I'll show you how you can get access to them in a second, okay? So these are tools that I created. With these tools, I also made them with something called master resale rights. So that means if somebody was to land over on Beacons and purchase one of these products, not only can they use it, so for example, let's say somebody came over and bought the viral video cloner, which is bloody brilliant if I say so myself. So this product over here, the simple concept is if someone's wanting to do YouTube or faceless YouTube, they go on YouTube, they find a couple of channels within that niche, they copy the channels and they paste them over here into this software. And then it's exactly how it sounds. It's a viral cloner. So it will go through that person, that other account, that YouTube account, and then it will give you viral titles. It will give you a script. It will give you the prompts. It will do your thumbnails for you, your descriptions, everything basically. So you're not guessing, you're not messing about with it, okay? So this is a product that we are selling for $17. So someone buys it, they can use it in their own online business, or they can simply repackage it and sell it themselves. So that's one of the products on there. And we've got a number of them, okay? So we've got all of these ones down here. Then we also have this over here. So like this one is a new one that we released, which is the AI faceless content system. We've got the GPT bot builder, and then we've got a couple of digital marketing resources down here. So with this method, it's all geared around a really straightforward concept. Step one is you build your store. So sign up to Beacons, it's free. Once you've got your Beacon store, obviously you need to populate it with products. Now, these products over here, you can buy them, you can resell them, you can do what you want. You don't have to, by the way. You can literally create your own products over on ChatGPT or in Canva, and you can also buy products with something called master resale rights. You can find products like this on Etsy, or you can simply go ahead and paste this into Google like this. So we'll do this, right? And then you will see you'll normally find websites like this one up here, master resale rights, and many more. And essentially, let's just go in the first one. So you can come over here into a website like this, and you will see they've got normally thousands of products with master resale rights. Now, the issue with this is a lot of these websites, like this one and PLR.com and many more, is well, what's the issue? The content a lot of the time is ebooks, and you know ebooks are not the best. They're good as a lead magnet and giving them away for free. But if you are selling them for $7, $10, personally, I don't think it's that great value. But you can also find, look, you can find courses, you can find plugins for websites and loads more. But the concept is, you have a store. Sorry, you have a store. You build it out with digital products, straightforward and simple. Once you've done this, and literally building this, it's incredibly straightforward and simple. I'll show you on the back end. Okay, so if I come over here and go to link in bio, and you've got these products down here, and all you do is whenever you're adding something, you just click on add a block, like so. What is it that you're selling? Well, we would be selling a digital product, so we would do this. What's the layout? Do we want it as a large card, a grid, a carousel, etc.? You just go through the process here, and then once you've done this, you come up here. So look at digital products, you would click on there. You would then very simply fill this information in. So you've got a title, your price, an image, your description, upload the actual file up here, and you're done. So it's not hard. It's definitely not hard. Anyone can do this method, okay? So that there is the basic concept of this. Now, obviously, once you have got your store built, like this, you've got your store built and you've got your different products on here, you then move into the part of driving traffic, i.e. sending customers over to your beacon store like this. Now let me tell you really quickly about these products here, and we'll come back to the traffic part. So as I mentioned, all of these products here come with master resale rights. But if you are over in Faceless Freedom, and it's free. So come and join Faceless Freedom. You get access to the community and some of the classrooms. Inside of the inside of the classrooms over here, we have got something for our members called the software suite. So if you are a member, you should be doing this anyway. So in here, we have given you all of these products. So you will see in the Facebook classroom, we've got the thread builder, the image maker, story spark, the affiliate assistant, and more in here. So all of these, you can take these and build a beacon store. I'll show you how to do it over here in the step-by-step process over here. So we go over this. I'll show you how to set up your beacon store, selling your different bundles, and loads more. Okay, so we've got all of these ones down here. We've got YouTube, we've got TikTok, we've got digital products, school, loads more, and we're adding loads more into here. Okay, so that is if you are inside of Faceless Freedom, and you can literally just copy my store if you want. I'm not fussed. If you want to copy it with these images and products, you absolutely can do. Okay, so we've got our store, and then we're moving on to the traffic, driving people over to the page. How do you do it? There's loads of ways, literally loads of ways. You can be doing this over on Facebook. You can be doing it in Facebook groups. I mean, I guess essentially it would depend on what category or niche you're in. So, like for example, on my Beacons page, this is all geared around AI tools and earning online with faceless content. But it doesn't really matter, whether you was doing like a history channel or whether you was focusing on a pet niche or anything like that. The concept is still the same. We're creating content to drive traffic over here. And as I've mentioned, it can be a Facebook profile, it can be a Facebook group, it can be faceless YouTube videos, it can be faceless TikTok, faceless Instagram, it can be carousels, it can be images, it can even be pins on Pinterest driving the traffic over to this page over here. But I promise you, it's not difficult. It's not difficult at all. As you've seen over here a second ago, you literally just uploading your products into here, which is free, and you can even make products for free as well. And again, it's not hard. So lots of people overcomplicate this and overthink it and think, well, I've got to be technical, I've got to have experience, it's going to cost me a lot of money. It's not. I promise you, it's not. You can literally go to Beacon, sign up, create a store. It's free. You can go over into Canva and create a PDF in there, or create a report or a blueprint or anything like that. It's free. You could even go onto ChatGPT and get it to create products for you. It's free. Driving traffic to the page is free. You can use Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. There's so many different ways you can be doing this. But as you've seen in this video, and as always, and I'll share one other thing with you, okay? So if I come back over here, and I want to share this with you, because I don't want you to think, it's just create these products, drive traffic, and you're earning money every single day. You're not. I'll show you this as well. So again, you can see the proof of this. So you can see here, let's come down here. So like this day over here, we earned $53. Following day, zip, earned nothing. Next day, we earned $8. Then we didn't. Then we was on 53, 214, 375. That day was awesome. We did 590. Following day, 375. Following day, it went back down to zero. We went back up and up, down a little bit. So you can see here, you're not guaranteed to be earning money every single day, but the whole concept behind it is we are being consistent with this. So for me, with this start over here, I will I'm not going to just continually add hundreds and hundreds of products. All of the products on here I am using in my online business daily. So the viral affiliate assistant is awesome. I use that on Facebook a lot. Prompt Reel, this does prompts for faceless YouTube videos. I'm using it. So it's a tool that will go on here. And it's the same with any of these. So when I create a tool or a piece of software or something that I'm using daily, or every other day within the business, it will go on here. So like this one over here, I've now got 3 Facebook pages monetized. I use what is in here to make money with those pages, so it goes on here. So over time, we will be adding more products in, but that's the way I'm doing it. It's up to you if you want to, list 50 products, you absolutely can do. And you could also flip it another way. So you could list products over on Beacons, okay? And Beacons is a standalone site, which means you need to drive traffic to it yourself. Essentially, you could take some of these products and list them onto a marketplace with a built-in audience, like Etsy, like Gumroad. So you could have one product across multiple platforms. If you had your own website, you could stick it on there and other bits. But this is the method, and this is how it works. Create a store for free, list digital products, drive traffic to that store, and be earning money. So yeah, if you do have any questions about this, then do let me know. But as always, I just like sharing and documenting what we are doing. And as you've seen here, a month ago it was $100. Fast forward to today, we're up to 5116 now. So hopefully it'll continue going upwards. And again, hopefully we'll have more of these days up here where we're doing 590 plus in a single day. So look, there you go. I will put a link to this down below if you want to go over here and check this out. And definitely, if you are in Faceless Freedom, go into the method number 7. There's loads more resources and tools in here for you, covering setting up your shop, all of the different GPTs, and we've got a new one that we are adding in today for you. So yeah, take care, and I'll see you soon.